Hello, peoples. Merry Christmas, which is tomorrow. Merry Christmas, which is tomorrow. This is one of my cats. He's staring at my dog. He's a good kid. Red. Red, what are you doing? His name is Red. He's bored. Red, no, don't leave me. Don't leave me. Merry Christmas, everybody. Oh, there goes. Red, get off my tail. This is what it's like having him. He's a bit of a turd sometimes. Red, get off my desk. He's just chewing on a little Christmas tree decoration. You know what? How about you guys just watch him messing around? Oh, yeah. You can just watch him, guys. Red, what are you doing with that ruler? Red, what the heck are you doing? You're trying to get... The cat likes to knock stuff down and let the dog eat it. Yeah. Dolly, no. Oh yeah, that's the dog that you saw in the first and some other video. I have 3 dogs and 3 cats, perfect ratio. Okay, you could go back to watching the kitty now. Cats are freaking hilarious. Red, what are you doing? He's on the bunk bed now. There, it's hard recording with the computer sometimes. There's the cat. He's just chilling on my bunk bed. A bunk bed, even though I'm an only child. And yes, those kids that have been in my videos are not my siblings. They're just kids who really wanted to do a video with me. I go to school with. That's Red. That's Red for you. He's crazy when he loves going outside. Blah. Cats are freaking hilarious. They rule the internet. Everybody knows that. My dog's begging to go outside. She's scratching my door, ruining my door. So, yeah, I'm just gonna tell you that. Well, I cannot talk. Peace out, everybody. Merry Christmas. And expect more. Try to expect. Yeah, I will try. Okay, I do skits every week. That's my new goal. A skit every single week. Just one or 2 skits. I don't know. Just a skit every week. You want? Yeah, he's a crazy cat. You know what? You might as well have a tour of my room. There's the dog. Dolly, say hi. Well, I hope you guys all have a Merry Christmas. Oh, I can't turn my computer anymore. There's the minor tour of my bedroom. You got to see about most of my room. There we go. Merry Christmas. Got the Santa hat on. Darkness. That would be amazing if I got more better camera equipment for Christmas. Oh, little puppy. Oh, here's the puppy. Okay, puppy. Okay, puppy. Be a good girl. outside. There we go. You saw a little bit of my outdoor house. My outdoor house. Well, okay, that's what you get to see today. I hope you all have a fantastic Christmas. And, well, just peace out. I don't know why I still do that. I've been doing that for, I think, since I was in 2nd grade. Well, okay, I say goodbye to the cat people. He's just chill. That's, oh, frick, you can't even see my finger. God, this is so weird. There we go. That's the cat. There we go. Maybe you can see some of my other pets next year, or this year even. Well, I hope you all have a fantastic Christmas and a Christmas Eve. I'm still spinning. Okay. Yes, I have 2 giant teddy bears. Merry Christmas, everyone. I love this thing. Okay, I just dragged that. I just dragged that out for like a minute or 2. Okay, bye bye. Peace out. Subscribe to me, please. I need more subscribers.